What's up, crypto world? Crypto Snake is here, and today I will show you how to buy Cardano ADA in the United States fast. Let's get started. As you know, there are not that many exchanges that allow US citizens to buy ADA. So I tested multiple options, and here I will show you the easiest way to buy ADA in the United States. So you will be able to buy and withdraw your ADA right now. Step 1. Go to bittrex.com. Step 2. Create a new account. Enter your contact information. You can also use my referral code if you want. I left it in the description. Step 3. Check the verification email and confirm your email address. Step 4. Enter your profile information. It is a standard KYC process where you will need to submit your documents and verify your identity by taking a picture using your webcam. Step 5. Wait for 5-10 minutes until the system will verify your identity. It took me around 5 minutes and I didn't even stop recording this video. As the US citizen, I was also required to provide some additional information regarding my employment status, but frankly speaking, you can put random details and no one will check it. After that, you will see a congratulations tab saying that your account is now enabled. Step 7. Click Instant Buy and Sell button. Step 8. Find ADA from the list of assets and choose your payment method option. If you choose a debit card option, your ADA will be available almost immediately. After your payment is processed, you can withdraw your Cardano ADA. Please note that currently Bittrex experiences withdrawal delays. For me, it took about an hour to withdraw my ADA, so please don't freak out and check your withdrawal status from time to time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please suggest new topics using our Telegram chat and subscribe to my Twitter. Both links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye.